Well, hello, it's Mr. Dale from Milam Elementary, 4th grade. Well, the big STAAR test tomorrow, and this is practice STAAR. We call it interim. It's kind of like this mid-year exam, to find out benchmark. It's to kind of find out give us an idea of where they're at right now for the big one in the month of May. So yes, it really is a real STAAR test, but it's a real one before the real one in the month of May. Okay, so yes, and you log into the computer, you take the test, kids get to see their results. Okay, now a lot of you may not even know why we're doing this. Okay, why are we even having a random STAAR test? Well, data. So we can catch those kids falling behind. Okay, so let's say, all of 4th grade takes a STAAR test, and hey, some kids popped up as are not making those gains. They're still behind. The computer spits out saying not projected to pass the STAAR test in the month of May. Well, we got to catch those kids like the bottom of a net, and we've got to catch them, and we've got to bring them back up, So that's the purpose, data collection. And also we can report, we can tell the kids hey, you're doing great. Keep working hard. The computer is projecting that you're going to pass STAAR in the month of May. Great job this year. You're doing great in math, Or we can say, hey, man, you've dropped. We've got to get you in Math Masters Club after school. We've got to maybe sit you somewhere else. We've got to get you in a WIN club group from 2:30 to 3:10. We've got to do all these things to help you kind of catch back up. And so, we have these types of sheets right here that lists all the kids right here. And kind of like with highlighters, and we highlight, green means great. Pink means, green means great, Pink means, uh-oh, pink means negative, gone backwards in their math, So that's the whole purpose, is to kind of examine, hey, where is everybody at right now as it stands in the month of March? Because the real STAAR test is in May. And so we want to, help get everybody kind of organize where everyone's at so we can help them the best that way we can. Okay. Tomorrow is the math. And so, the routine, great night's sleep, get the mental mindset. Hey, slow down. And I personally talked to many kids. I brought them aside. And I was like, hey, I personally talked to them. I said, hey, I want you to take it seriously. Learn from your mistakes from the map test. Slow down. Focus. You're going to be in this room quite a while tomorrow. No place to go. You're not going anywhere. You can't just jump on your Chromebook, free Chromebook time. No, they don't even allow Chromebooks. Free Chromebook time. Okay. It's a library. So after your test, it's just a library book. That's it. So you're in here for the long haul. Take your time on the test. You get your results. Okay. So, also what I did is I had lunch bunch. I basically invited, certain individuals to a personal lunch with the teacher, with me, in the classroom. Okay. And it was a nice come to Jesus meeting. All right. It was like, all right, look, according to your map, the map test score said this, and I want you to step up your game. I view you as a master. And so I want you to, show, I want you to live up to your potential that I know you are, that kind of thing. And that's what we did at lunch. Well, it was a friendly lunch. I told them, no, it's friendly. It's not mean. No. So anyway, so I had plans to bring in a lot of different groups for lunches on different days, but I canceled some of the days. But I had one lunch bunch. That's how serious I am, okay, about this. So anyway, let me just show you around the room real quick to give you an idea of kind of like the testing environment. All right, let me show you real quick. All right, here's the layout. So you got different desks like this, and you got your blue walls, and different kids are in different rooms. I only have 14 in here testing. Okay, so it's like this, separated out, and with our blue walls. And so there you go right there. And they're in here for 4 hours. Okay, and I'm not even allowed to have a cell phone. So here it is right here. And you get the idea of the testing environment. Okay. And I've got a mixture of kids with my Dale homeroom and Goodman's homeroom, 14 of them in here. They're treating it like a real STAAR test in the month of May. So strict, read a script, okay? And after each one is done testing, they are to read a library book. That's the only thing they're allowed, okay? Now, when everybody is done testing in this classroom, okay, all 14 kids are done testing, but it's not after the 4 hours. Then they can work, they can draw, they can do an educational activity, or sleep. They are allowed. I mean, it's weird, but it's true. The state of Texas allows, like, you can put your head down and sleep. It's true. Okay. But that's after everyone is done testing. But if somebody finishes first, second, third, they are only to do library books. Okay. So, and then, they're just in here, for 4 hours. Yeah, that's about all I want to say tonight. That wraps up this video. And again, tomorrow, the Math Star, Tuesday. Wednesday, the Reading Star. Okay. And then Thursday and Friday, regular school. And so real quick, in this math class, we're on Unit 8. Okay, and Unit 8 deals with area and perimeter. In case you're interested, I'll let you know. So, what's the area of this shape and what's the perimeter of this shape, and that's what we're doing. Parallel lines and perpendicular lines, okay, is what we're going over as well. And also conversions of units, and so feet to yards, yards to feet, pounds to tons. What else? Solve problems with time. Let's say school gets out at 3:05. And then, or 3:35, and then 125 minutes later, you go to your friend's house. What time do you go to your friend's house? Problems like that. And then after spring break, Unit 8 is over, and then we're going to do Units 9 and 10, and that wraps up the math in this class, and then the STAAR test, and then the Math Masters Club, pizza and ice cream party, and then other activities as well. So I'll make other videos. Stay tuned. This is Mr. Dale at 4th grade Milam. All right, we'll catch you guys later. Bye.